Hi children. So children, now we are going to solve question number 6, which says that the table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Okay children, the table given this one, as I have told that question will be always given in textbook in horizontal table. Just for the solution you have to write like this, and I have directly copied to avoid the consumption of space as well as time, children. So the table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Daily expenditure in rupees given, that is class interval, and number of households, that is frequency given. Find the mean daily expenditure on food by a suitable method. By a suitable method you have to find, children. Okay children. So what is given? See, these two tables are ready. Okay. What we have to get? Commonly the first, for mean what we have to do, children? First we have to find, because here class interval is there. Exact class marks not given. So we will write first class marks. What is the symbol for class marks? Xi. And this Xi class mark nothing but average of this lower boundary and upper boundary. So 100 plus 150, that is how much, children? 250. 250. 250 divided by 2, that is 125. 150 plus 200, 350. 350 by 2, 175. 200 plus 250, 450. 450 is nothing but divide by 2, 225. 250 plus 300, 550. That is 275. And 300 plus 350, 650. 650 is 325. These are the class marks. Okay, once we find the class marks, there is no use of this what class interval, children. Now these two are used. So if we have to do with the direct method, what we have to find, children? Fi Xi, that is 125 into 4, 175 into 5, 225 into 12, 275 into 2, 325 into 2, then totalize it, and total of frequency, put the formula mean is equal to what? Sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma Fi. By direct method you will get the answer. But numbers, numericals are somewhat bigger, so I am preferring the second method, that is assumed mean method. We will proceed for that. If we find that there is a common something, then we will go for the next method. You can do with the first method also, children, but where the question is suitable method, we should try to go for the next method, because here numbers are somewhat big compared to 3-digit numbers are there. So for that, what is required? Di, that is Di is equal to what? Xi minus A. Xi minus A. Okay. What is the Xi? These all are Xi. Class marks A. Chalo, always we are taking there. Now we are going to take this one. You can take any number, children. I am this taking as A. So 125 minus 225. This is a small, so minus 125 minus 225. How much, children? 100. 175 minus 225. How much, children? You can check it rough. It is in 100. Easy for subtracting. That's why directly I am doing. 225 minus 225. 0. 275 minus 225. 50. 325 minus 225. 100. Okay, children? Right? I find it here Di. So once we find Di, children, we can go for Fi into Di. Fi into Di. We will find the sigma Fi Di. Then use the formula mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi Di upon sigma Fi. We put the value, will get the answer. But here also children, we are seeing that something is common here. These numbers are also somewhat big. And what is the common in all these? What is the SCF of all these children? You will see that 50. All will be divided by 50. So I am taking height as a 50 and going for the next method children. That is, in this you have to find out Uy. Uy is equal to xi minus a upon h. And here what is h? H is here 50. H is here 50 because 50 can divide all. Minus 100 divided by 50, minus 2. Minus 50 by 50, minus 1. 0 by 50, 50 by 50, 100 by 50. Is it not so simple and easy to calculate? Of course, table is going somewhat long, but calculation is becoming very simple, children. After this now, the last common step is for all, that is product of, here product of Fi into Ui children. Okay, what was Fi? 4. 4 here minus 4 into 2, 8. 5. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 12 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. So simple small numerals. Negative numbers I am adding minus 13 and positive numbers 6. So sigma Fi Ui is equal to sigma Fi Ui is equal to sigma Fi Ui is equal to how much children? Negative value is 13 and positive value is 6. First 13 and 6 difference is 7. And negative is bigger, so minus. Okay children, after this we got sigma Fi Ui as a minus 7. Next, already it is given in the question that how many families? 25 families. Even though I am checking 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 2, 25. Everything is ready for calculation children. Now you have to put in the formula. Okay children, did you understand this? After this normally we have to put in the formula. Can I do at top here? Some space is there. Okay, so what is the formula? X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi into H. This is the formula children, and I am going to rub this because we have to do calculation. And what we took the value of A. Sorry children, due to the incoming call, the recording was paused. So children here, now we have just put the value. A value how much we have taken? I have rubbed here. Hope A value you have taken 225. Yes, 225 children. If any mistake, because I have rubbed here children, and exactly I won't remember. If I have forgot the value of A, please forgive me and correct it. Okay children, but as per my memory it might be A, it might be 225. Okay children, here assumed value A, we took one value. I hope it is 225. As per 225 I am doing the question. If any mistake, please forgive me. 225 plus sigma Fi Ui minus 7 upon total number of families sigma Fi into H. How much you have taken H? 50. You have taken 50. So is equal to 225 plus and minus and 25 one times, 25 two times. 2 sevens are 14 is equal to 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 1, 2. That is rupees 211 is the mean of whatever it was expenditure. So you write rupees. Yes, rupees 211 is the average. The same answer you will get, children, by direct method, by the assumed mean method, or this, that is step deviation method. But whenever there is a question to solve it by suitable method, you try to reach the correct method, children, because here common terms was there. That's why we are able to apply this step deviation method. If common is not there, h is not there, fixed h is not there in all class intervals, all the class marks, we cannot do it, children. Okay.